brain and the gut connection is lost when a baby eats food by watching a mobile, and hence most of the times they won't be able to sense food, color, texture and taste. We often resort to screen time when our children don't eat. It is luckily an occasional scenario at my mom's place, and sometimes my husband does that too. But many babies and kids I have come across are way too addicted to mobile or TV shows for eating that not even a morsel of food goes down their throats without it. In this video, we shall know the impact of screen time on little children and some simple and practical solution, because that's what we need. Hey guys, my name is Kavitha. I'm founder of Tots and Moms Foods, and here today we are talking about impact of screen time. Affects brain and gut connection. Excessive screen time during meals can disrupt the communication between the brain and the digestive system. This disruption may prevent children from properly sensing the characteristics of food, such as color, texture and taste. This is how we understand food, and this is how once we see food, we salivate, right? This helps in digestion. So this now impacts in decreased enjoyment and recognition of different foods in children. Next is overeating. When children are distracted by screens during meals, they may lose touch with their body's natural hunger and satiety cues. Now, when do we eat? When we feel it. This lack of awareness can lead to overeating or consuming food without real hunger, contributing to unhealthy eating patterns, because most of the times they are pushed to eat when they don't want to and pushed to eat when they are done as well. Low metabolic rate. Engaging with screens during mealtime often means less focus on chewing, which is essential for the initial step of digestion. Poorly chewed food compromises nutrition absorption and slows down the metabolism, which can lead to indigestion and inefficient fat burning. Another major concern, social eating issues. Regular use of screens at mealtimes can make it challenging for children to adapt to social eating environments such as school cafeteria, dining out. They may struggle to engage in normal eating behaviors when expected to eat without distraction of the device, because it is that they are used to. Now this affects their social interactions, eating habits, especially when they are outside the home. We just don't talk about problems, we also share solutions. So solutions to reduce screen time feeding, which are practical enough. At first, designate a screen-free zone. As a family, decide not to bring or use phones in certain areas of the house, especially dining area. Now this helps everyone focus on mealtime without distractions. As a family, let's unite and decide this. Offer food only on demand. Often, feeding by the clock is the culprit. I have made a detailed video on this topic. Why should you not stick to clock? Why should you not stick to a routine when it comes to food? Please have a look at that. Let's help them respect their hunger cues by offering food only when they are genuinely hungry. What if they had a heavy food and they are not at all hungry? Why push them? This will ensure their focus is on the food and not on mobile devices. They are really hungry, they want to eat, and never push to empty a plate or eat more just because you made it. Do not talk negatively about screen time. In an era where children learn and grow with knowledge shared from screens, it is practically impossible to completely avoid them. I'm sure you will agree with this. They also need to learn about technology, but it becomes a problem when overdone. I have given my children one tablet with a time restriction set for about 1 hour, and they share half an hour each to play, learn or watch their favorite show. Let's make it a positive and happy hour, because talking negatively about something can make children more curious, restless and demanding, because what's that? Why is she saying no and why is she using? Lead by example, that's what I was telling. First, follow all that we preach. No mobiles in screen-free zones, eating only when hungry, avoid overeating or junk food, and limit screen usage to necessary activities only, like talking, browsing, playing or entertainment. limit the duration. These few changes in lifestyle can take us all a long and healthy way. Wish to see some change? Let me know in the comments what is that you will do to change this habit in your children. And I really hope you like this video. I really hope any one of the practical tips that can be inculcated in your life. And I make a lot of videos. I have few video recommendations for you today. One is hair loss in babies, reasons and tips to avoid infant hair loss. I'm also talking about benefits of kissing and cuddling baby. And yes, in the beginning of the video, I told that I'm founder of the food brand Tots and Moms. And hence, I would recommend you to go check our healthy organic products for baby, kids and moms at totsandmoms.com. At our Bangalore and Mysore store, you can check us on Google Map. And our products are also available at Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry, Big Basket and Meesho. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.